Hello everyone, how are you doing? Welcome back if you're a returning viewer. So what we're doing today, or starting today, today is the first bench for 2026. One of many, no doubt. This one, I'm looking forward to this one. It's going to be a Kingfisher. I've got a drawing here. I'll just see, so I'll just move that. Hopefully, sorry, you can see that okay. It's only a basic drawing. For any regular viewers, you remember from last year I did an owl bench with the wing backrest. There is a video somewhere on that'll be on the bench playlist. Anyway, this one is along the same sort of lines. We have but a little bit smaller bird on the left. So we're going to have a Kingfisher sat perched on there with its wing. But unlike the owl where it was a full backrest, it was the wing. I'm going to stop maybe 2/3 across, and the rest of it I'm just going to do like a background scene of like a little pond or something, lily pads and some reeds, and then just a chunky seat. So yeah, so that's the plan. So excuse me, just move that. So we've got the two logs sat there. I've brought them in because it's been crap weather, to be honest, lately. Mind you, ironically, the sun's out for the first time in God knows how long. So well, initially I've got to take a chunk off the side of this one, because this one's just going to be a plain sort of backrest support, and then obviously this one will be the Kingfisher. So we have a very basic outline there. I'll have to notch out a section here because that's going to be where the backrest stroke wing will get bolted in. Sort of, it'll sit on a shelf and bolted in, and then we'll just have its main body perched on a little branch there, and I'll just carve a base to look like a sort of trunk or something. So yeah, so Sally is in fetch mode. Auntie Sally. So she cares about tennis balls more than Paddy, which is saying something. Anyway, so I'll get you on the stand. Let's see how it turns out, shall we? Bye bye. Right, job done. Let's have a little looky look. See what you think. There we go. Kingfisher bench next to his pond, stream, I don't know, pick one. There you go. Nice to be doing a bench again. First one for the year. Just show you the wing. Oh. Yeah, I just did just a basic sort of patterned legs. Oh, meant to say, ignore the first foot on there. It's getting buried in concrete. Just in case you're wondering if the customer's 8 foot tall. So yeah, just didn't want to go in anyway. So no, it looks nice. That I'm happy with that. So not entirely sure what I'm doing next. I've got to start doing some stock for the spring. So either way, you'll be with me next time, hopefully. So see you then. Thanks very much, guys. See you later.